In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix GTA 5 not launching on PC. So you might be having this issue maybe because you have some issues with the files of GTA. So first thing you wanna do is, let me just leave this game so I can show you. So your first thing you can try is just go to Epic Games and to the GTA 5 where you have it downloaded. So let me just close down GTA 5 here. I'm gonna close it through here and end the task. Okay, and I'm gonna just close this down. Okay, so first thing is just go to Epic Games, and inside Epic Games you can click on these three dots and click manage and click on verify files. So verifying files is basically gonna check if all the files are authentic for the GTA 5, and this is gonna take some time to finish. So once you click this, you're gonna wait for like half an hour or something. So if you did this and GTA 5 still doesn't work, what you can do is just go to the same place, manage, and make sure you have launch options disabled. So sometimes when you are using mods, you want to use this, but when you're not using mods, you just have to turn off the launch options so BattleEye can run properly and the game can launch properly. And if that still doesn't fix your issue, what you can try now is just go and just uninstall Grand Theft Auto and reinstall it. Don't worry, this won't delete the game from your library. You already purchased it and it's gonna stay in your library. You can just install it from here. So if uninstalling and installing doesn't work, then you might be having an issue with the security. So what you can try and is go to the security of your computer, Windows security, and over here what you want to do is go to virus and threat protection, and you want to go to where it says the virus and threat manage settings. So over here you can see like maybe the virus and threat protection is preventing GTA 5 from opening. So what you can do is just exclude it from being detected as a threat, and you can do this by going to exclusions and add. So once you click add, you can just click add again and just find the folder where GTA 5 is downloaded. So if you don't know where the GTA 5 is included, you can just go to this place and manage and installations, and you will find it right here. You can just copy that. If you copy this, you will be able to just paste it. So I can just paste it here, and this is the GTA 5 folder. So if I just click open here, let's just go here. Okay, just click on this file and then that should be it. Let me just try this. Hold on a sec. Okay guys, so you had, when you click add an exclusion, you had to choose folder, not file. So choose folder and then just put the same link you copied from your Epic Games and then choose select folder, and your GTA 5 will be included in the excluded folders, so it won't be detected as a threat. So this way, hopefully this will run your GTA 5 smoothly, and if even this one doesn't work, then you might be having an issue with your graphics cards. So if you go to device manager here, and if you look at your graphics cards under display adapters, here you will find your graphics card. Now if your graphics card is like a very standard one, and it's not doesn't fit and it's not compatible for the GTA 5, then it's not gonna run the game. So you might have to buy or just update your graphics card. So that might be the last resolution for your issue. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.